This is a demonstration of the Viewer program for the road condition monitoring system and some new analysis functions it has available. To demonstrate, we'll first load a file. This will be for truck 7 on the 6th of August. Wait for that to be displayed. We now have the ability to analyse specific sections of the truck path, so we can zoom into possibly this area, and we would like to analyse that section of road, so we can select regions. We can define a region with 2 points, so we identify the first point on the road, which can be there, and the second point here, and we get a rectangle displaying the section we're interested in. We'll make that a little wider so we can interactively change the angle, the length and the width. At this stage, any of the dots within that region will now be analysed, so we can quickly determine a pit score by just clicking the pit score button, and we're told on that section we have a value of 93.3%. We also display the velocity range, so we have an average velocity of just over 60 kilometres an hour, maximum of 81, a minimum of 2. What that actually means is we're looking at movement into and out of the pit. If we wanted to more specifically analyse velocity, we would be seeking to isolate just one-way traffic. So at this stage we've done that analysis. We can save this region by name, and we can call it truck 7. We're now able to refresh the screen, load a second file, and this is for truck 7 a month earlier. Wait for it to load. We can now load the region file by name. And it reappears. We then zoom in to that region, and we have exactly the same region covering exactly the same section of road. We now calculate the pit score again. We now get 97.8, so that indicates it's a slight improvement, and the velocities are slightly higher as well. So we can leave that at the moment. We do have the ability to zoom in a little closer to see how the velocity analysis works. So again, we can define a new region, and we'll just pick this path. Then we'll just narrow it so we only have traffic moving in one direction. And then we can calculate a new pit score. In this case, we're really interested in the velocities. And you see, because we're heading only in one direction, the velocities are much closer to each other. So that shows how we can analyse specific areas of the mine to get appropriate information about how the roads may be changing. Thank you.